43 amazing indoor plants with green and white leaves and Albo variegation. Explore the finest selection of indoor plants boasting captivating green and white foliage. Elevate your collection with these botanical gems for a dynamic and vibrant showcase. Searching for vibrant plants to make a statement in your interior design? Discover our curated inventory of distinctive indoor plants featuring mesmerizing green and white leaves. 1. Monstera Thai Constellation. The Monstera Thai Constellation is a unique plant known for its distinctive green leaves adorned with irregular splashes of creamy white variegation, creating an aesthetically pleasing and sought-after appearance among plant enthusiasts. 2. Monstera Stanleyana Variegata. The Monstera Stanleyana Variegata showcases striking green leaves with elegant white variegation in the form of delicate stripes or spots, lending a touch of sophistication to its overall visual appeal. 3. Philodendron Birkin. The Philodendron Birkin features eye-catching green leaves accented with crisp white pinstripes, evoking a sense of botanical elegance and artistry. 4. Philodendron Ring of Fire Variegated. The Philodendron Ring of Fire Variegated displays vibrant green leaves adorned with fiery splashes of white and yellow variegation, adding a dynamic and captivating element to its foliage. 5. Philodendron White Knight. The Philodendron White Knight presents lush green leaves highlighted by ethereal white variegation, creating a visually enchanting contrast that sets it apart as a striking and sought-after plant. 6. Philodendron White Princess. The Philodendron White Princess features rich green leaves embellished with elegant white variegation, lending an air of regal beauty and charm to its foliage. 7. Philodendron White Wizard. The Philodendron White Wizard showcases glossy green leaves adorned with whimsical and intricate white variegation, casting a spell of enchantment over its beholders. 8. Monstera borsajana albo. The Monstera borsajana albo displays emerald green leaves punctuated by stunning patches of creamy white variegation, creating a captivating and sought-after aesthetic. 9. Monstera deliciosa albo. The Monstera deliciosa albo exhibits lush green leaves marbled with elegant white variegation, lending a touch of sophistication to its iconic tropical foliage. 10. Monstera deliciosa White Monster. The Monstera deliciosa White Monster features distinctive green leaves adorned with bold and dramatic white variegation, adding a unique and eye-catching element to its classic Monstera appearance. 11. Syngonium Milk Confetti. The Syngonium Milk Confetti displays charming green leaves speckled with delicate white variegation, creating a soft and whimsical aesthetic. 12. Monstera adansonii albo variegated. The Monstera adansonii albo variegated showcases cascading green leaves accented by striking white variegation, elevating its trailing vines into an exquisite display of contrast and beauty. 13. Philodendron Florida Ghost. The Philodendron Florida Ghost features lush green leaves adorned with pale white variegation, creating an ethereal and ghostly appearance that distinguishes it as a unique and sought-after plant. 14. Philodendron Jose Buono. The Philodendron Jose Buono presents vibrant green leaves with elegant white variegation, adding a touch of sophistication and visual interest to its foliage. 15. Philodendron Golden Dragon Variegated. The Philodendron Golden Dragon Variegated showcases lush green leaves with intricate white variegation, lending a touch of enchantment to its foliage and creating a captivating aesthetic. 16. Anthurium clarinervium. The Anthurium clarinervium features deep green leaves highlighted by contrasting veins of bright white, creating a visually striking and elegant appearance. 17. Alocasia amazonica variegated. The Alocasia amazonica variegated features bold green leaves accented by striking white variegation, creating a visually captivating and unique appearance. 18. Alocasia frydek variegated. The Alocasia frydek displays lush green leaves adorned with intricate white veining, adding a touch of elegance and texture to its distinctive foliage. 19. Alocasia odora variegata. The Alocasia odora variegata showcases rich green leaves embellished with stunning white variegation, creating a visually striking and dynamic contrast within its foliage. 20. Colocasia Milky Way. The Colocasia Milky Way presents vivid green leaves splashed with ethereal white speckles, evoking the image of a starry night sky and adding a touch of enchantment to its appearance. 21. Colocasia Pink Sapphire. The Colocasia Pink Sapphire features lush green leaves adorned with delicate white variegation and touches of pink, lending a unique and captivating allure to its foliage. 22. Begonia Rex Salsa. The Begonia Rex Salsa displays intricate green leaves with splashes of white and shades of pink, resembling a vibrant and artistic palette of colors that add a dramatic flair to its foliage. 23. Begonia Maculata. The Begonia Maculata, also known as the polka dot begonia, features lush green leaves adorned with striking white polka dot patterns, creating a charming and visually appealing contrast on its foliage. 24. Begonia White Ice. The Begonia White Ice presents elegant green leaves edged with a crisp white border, adding a touch of sophistication and brightness to its foliage. 25. Begonia Snow-Capped. The Begonia Snow-Capped showcases rich green leaves accented by a delicate white border, creating a refined and visually pleasing contrast on its foliage. 26. Calathea Fusion White. The Calathea Fusion White displays vibrant green leaves intricately patterned with white streaks, producing a visually captivating and artistic foliage display. 27. Calathea Triostar. The Calathea Triostar features lush green leaves adorned with intricate white and pink variegation, creating a mesmerizing and dynamic visual display. 28. Syngonium Snow White. The Syngonium Snow White showcases verdant green leaves embellished with a gentle dusting of white variegation, imparting a subtle and elegant charm to its foliage. 29. Syngonium Albo Variegated. The Syngonium Albo Variegated presents lush green leaves adorned with bold patches of crisp white variegation, creating a striking and sought-after appearance. 30. Syngonium Winlandii. The Syngonium Winlandii features delicate green leaves accented with subtle white veins, adding a touch of elegance and texture to its foliage. 31. Caladium Aran. The Caladium Aran showcases lush green leaves with intricate white patterns, creating a visually stunning and artistic display of foliage. 32. Caladium White Wing. The Caladium White Wing presents vibrant green leaves adorned with distinct white veins, adding a touch of elegance and intricate detail to its foliage. 33. Hoya Compacta Variegated. The Hoya Compacta Variegated displays compact green leaves adorned with delicate white variegation, creating a charming and visually appealing contrast on its foliage. 34. Tradescantia fluminensis variegata. The Tradescantia fluminensis variegata features vibrant green leaves decorated with intricate white stripes, lending a fresh and captivating appearance to its foliage. 35. Ficus elasticatenica. The Ficus elasticatenica showcases glossy green leaves with striking white variegation, creating a visually appealing and modern aesthetic. 36. Algerian Ivy. Algerian Ivy presents lush green leaves marbled with elegant white variegation, lending a touch of sophistication and visual interest to its foliage. 37. Asiatic Jasmine. Asiatic Jasmine features vibrant green leaves adorned with delicate white markings, adding a touch of grace and charm to its foliage. 38. Musa Florida Variegated Banana. The Musa Florida Variegated Banana exhibits bold green leaves highlighted by dramatic white variegation, creating a tropical and visually captivating appearance. 39. Calathea Stella. The Calathea Stella showcases lush green leaves adorned with intricate white patterns, resulting in an eye-catching and elegant display of foliage. 40. Caladium Candidum. The Caladium Candidum displays vibrant green leaves adorned with delicate white veining, creating a graceful and visually appealing contrast on its foliage. 41. Hoya Crimson Princess. The Hoya Crimson Princess features deep green leaves adorned with splashes of creamy white and pink variegation, adding a touch of enchantment and elegance to its foliage. 42. Hoya Crimson Queen. The Hoya Crimson Queen presents rich green leaves adorned with intricate white and pink variegation, creating a visually captivating and elegant appearance. 43. Hoya Suzy Q. The Hoya Suzy Q showcases lush green leaves intricately adorned with delicate white and pink variegation, creating a charming and visually appealing foliage display.